What if I told you that you could turn your daily routine, walking to your favorite cafe, taking pictures of your lunch, or reviewing your local grocery store, into something that actually makes you money? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Welcome to the world of Google Maps, and more specifically the secret earning opportunity hidden in plain sight, the Google Local Guide program. How to make money with Google Maps, the Local Guide program explained. Let's start at the beginning. Google Maps isn't just about directions. It's a living, breathing platform, powered by millions of everyday users like you and me. And to keep it updated, Google created the Local Guide program. As a local guide, your job is simple. Leave reviews, add new places, share photos, answer questions, edit locations, and give useful info about businesses and places you visit. In exchange, Google rewards you, not just with perks and points, but also with real-world benefits that can translate into money. The Local Guide program works on a point-based system. Every time you contribute to Google Maps, whether it's reviewing a restaurant, uploading a photo, or answering a user's question, you earn points. As you earn more points, you level up. Starting from level 1, all the way to level 10. And here's the fun part. The higher your level, the more trust and visibility your contributions get, and more opportunities open up for you. Some local guides have had their photos seen over 10 million times, just from uploading snapshots of everyday places. So, where's the money? Let's break it down. 1. Brand partnerships and sponsored reviews. High-level local guides, especially those in busy cities, get noticed. Businesses may reach out to offer free products, meals, or even cash in exchange for honest reviews or exposure. Imagine being paid to try a new coffee shop and just write about it. That's already happening. 2. Sell local photography. If you're uploading high-quality images, those photos don't just live on Google Maps. You can license them on stock photo platforms, or sell them to the businesses directly. 3. Freelance Google Maps optimization services. Once you understand how Google Maps works, you can offer local SEO services to small businesses who want better visibility, charging hundreds per month. 4. YouTube and blogging content. Many top local guides start documenting their journeys on YouTube or blogs. Think travel vlogs, hidden spots, food reviews. This opens doors to AdSense revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. 5. Invites to paid beta testing and events. Top-level local guides have been invited to Google-hosted summits, tech betas, and even paid usability testing, so no, Google might not directly pay you in cash. But the opportunities? They're real, and they're paying. Let me tell you about Daniel, a college student from Kenya. He started uploading photos of his city on Google Maps, not expecting much. Fast forward a year, over 3 million views, and he's now charging local hotels for photo shoots and SEO services. Or meet Sarah, a mom in Canada. She started leaving reviews of playgrounds and parks during her walks with her kids. She's now a level 9 local guide and earns part-time income reviewing baby stores and cafes. Now that you see the possibilities, here's how you get started. Step 1. Sign up. Go to Google Local Guides and sign in with your Google account. Step 2. Start contributing. Open Google Maps and begin leaving detailed reviews, uploading clear, helpful photos, editing missing info, answering questions, adding new places. Step 3. Stay consistent. The more you contribute, the faster you level up. Step 4. Build a reputation. Use your name, add a friendly profile pic, and focus on helpfulness. Businesses will start noticing you. Step 5. Expand your reach. Start a simple blog, YouTube channel, or Instagram. Share your Google Maps contributions, and turn them into a personal brand. Here are some insider hacks to grow fast and earn more from your efforts. Hack 1. Focus on hidden gems. Skip the famous spots, review lesser-known places. They get more visibility and help more people. Hack 2. Quality over quantity. Instead of 100 rushed reviews, write 10 detailed, helpful ones. Hack 3. Geotag photos properly. Make sure your location data is accurate so your contributions show up where they should. Hack 4. Use Google questions. Answer real user questions. It builds trust and improves your profile ranking. Hack 5. Niche down. Be the go-to for something: street food, budget travel, kids parks, whatever your passion is. Some things to avoid or you'll get penalized or even banned. Don't spam fake reviews. Don't upload low quality or unrelated photos. Don't review places you've never been to. Don't copy-paste reviews. Don't over-optimize with keywords. Be natural. Google cares about trust. Protect yours. At its heart, the local guide program is about community and value. You're helping millions of people make better decisions every day, and getting rewarded for it. You don't need a degree, you don't need money to start. All you need is your phone, your eyes, and the willingness to share what you see. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring, start sharing, and start turning your everyday life into a side income. One pin, one review, one photo at a time. I'm your channel name, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't just scroll through maps, make money with them.